Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be meal prepping. So I'm gonna make some muffins, I'm going to hard boil some eggs, we're gonna shred some chicken, we're gonna make cookies, we are going to wash and prep all of our produce. We are going to get it all taken care of and just set up. We are trying to eat healthy. So obviously having these things prepped for us is huge. So if you guys like meal prepping videos, make sure you subscribe. I also do like cleaning, organizing, and all of that kind of stuff. So make sure you guys are subscribed and let's get started. So I am first just getting the eggs in because those do take a little while to obviously boil, and then they have to set and all of that good stuff. So I am getting those in, and I'm also just boiling one of these large chicken breasts. It was still slightly frozen, but that doesn't matter. I just let it cook for a while until obviously it was cooked through and I was able to shred it. I like to just have that in the fridge because you can do so many different things with it. So and now I am just going to wash all of my produce. I have shared this before on my channel, but if you are new here, I wash all of my produce in super cold water and I let it soak with some white vinegar. It just gets everything really clean and also helps preserve the life of your produce. I got this Krusteaz, I think that's how you say it, protein mix for blueberry muffins for my husband and my kids for the week. I saw this and thought this was a good thing to just add a little extra protein to their breakfast. They loved them. As I am doing this voiceover, it is only a few days later and all of the muffins are gone. So after I let the grapes soak for a while and get all nice and clean in their vinegar bath, I just move them to this strainer in my sink and wash them just to make sure everything is off of them and give them a good little rinse and let the water all drain out. And now I am doing the same process with my strawberries. And now our muffins are done and it looks like our eggs are boiling, so we are moving along very quickly. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things we don't have to move so fast. Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away I saw
don't want much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third.
Now I'm just drying all the grapes, making sure there is no moisture left in them, because I feel like that's one of the things that really make your produce go bad faster, is if they are wet and they get all slimy and gross. So I'm just breaking them all off the stems so they fit better in these containers. These containers are really good. I got them off of Amazon. They come in a set of 3, and I believe they're under $20. I'll have them linked below, but they really help keep the produce fresh, and they have like that little tray at the bottom so they aren't sitting just at the bottom of the pan. And now I'm just going to rinse my strawberries and get those washed up as well.
The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us.
Can someone please tell me if there is some sort of machine or some magic way to peel eggs that doesn't take 400 years? I feel like they just take forever, and either it's coming off in little bits like this, or it comes off in big chunks and it takes half of the egg with it. I don't know. Maybe I'm just really bad at it. I've tried putting baking soda in the water and all these different things, and it hasn't really made a difference for me anyway. But if there is some magical tool that will help or do this for me, please let me know in the comments below.
Make my way through the crowd, feeling alive. I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music?
Now I am making my famous chocolate chip cookies. I make these cookies pretty much probably every other week, and they're gone in a couple of days. So I usually make half the recipe chocolate chip and the other half M&M, or put something a little bit different in them so that way everyone has a variety. But I know this recipe off the top of my head. I make it so often that, look at me not measuring my vanilla, but I measure with my heart with vanilla. So I make these cookies, like I said, it's every couple of times a month at least. So I know the recipe off the top of my head, so I don't even need my recipe book anymore. It's a super simple recipe. It's just butter, brown sugar, regular sugar, some vanilla, 2 eggs, and then flour, baking soda, and some salt. I'll leave all of the specifics down below, but it is such a good, simple recipe, and you can put chocolate chips in it, you can put nuts, it's very like basic, simple recipe. So I highly recommend this recipe. Anytime I go to parties or something like that, anyone, and I ask what I can bring, everyone always tells me my chocolate chip cookies. So that will tell you something there.
I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we
now that the cookies are done, I am just putting those on a cooling rack until they are completely cooled, and then I just put them in an airtight container, and they generally only last a few days in my house. So that is it for this video. I was able to get a lot done and just basically like some ingredient prep. So we are ready for the week. All our produce is washed and clean and ready to be eaten, and it just, like I said, washing it in the white vinegar really helps preserve your produce. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love doing meal prep videos. I love to watch meal prep videos. So if you like this, make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.